Hello, in this video, we'll be going over how to set up your client consultation form. So to navigate to this window, simply go to Setup, Set up Client Preferences, and then Form Questions or Form Checkboxes. The Form Questions area, in here, you'll be able to identify the questions that you want to ask in your client consultation form. For example, this one is active and it says, "What do you love about your hair?" If wanted to take this question off, you can simply deactivate it or, of course, activate it. If you want to edit it, you can edit it simply by removing the information and updating the question. Or if you would like to add another question, you can come in here and say, "What changes are you expecting in the next year?" And then simply click Save. In addition to form questions, you can create up to 25 of these. You can create up to 25 form checkboxes. In here, the same rules apply. You can edit the name of the checkbox, or you can deactivate, and then as well as add new items by simply entering the information, and then of course clicking Save. Another field on here, and I'll show you the working client consultation form here in a second, is it will say, "Thank you, please return this tablet to the front desk." Now, this is assuming that you have a tablet that you're handing to the customer so they can complete their consultation and client form. Now, if you have a different circumstance, you can customize this message however you see fit, or if you have additional information. So simply just type in the message that you want to appear and click Save. And then to navigate there, you'll go to Clients, go to Client Form. The client would fill out their client information. Type in their information, they'd complete this form, how they would prefer to be contacted, their birth date, etc. And then they would update their questions. They'd type in their questions, they'd check their checkboxes, and go ahead and click Save. That custom message will appear here. And then to get back into the software, you would simply go to back into the software and click Clients. And then if I go into Joan Lee's client card, I have a consultation tab, and then all of her answers will appear here. Thank you for watching and have a great day.